Set in quiet Cumberland, this lovely cape offers hardwood floors throughout its spacious interior. A delightful brick walkway takes you from the driveway to the front door of this pleasant home. Step through the foyer and into the oversized living room where detailed wainscoting and a gas fireplace create a fantastic atmosphere in which to gather. The bright eat-in kitchen features stainless steel appliances, a center island, and a charming dining area. French doors lead out to a large deck where friends and family can delight in al fresco dining in the warm sun. A large patio sits underneath the deck on the fenced-in manicured lawn with mature plantings and plenty of room for outdoor activities. Completing the first level is a master suite with a private bath boasting a dual sink vanity. A convenient half bath and a dedicated space for laundry also sits on this floor. Sitting on the upper level are 2 bedrooms, which share a dual sink, full bath, along with a walk-in closet and alcove storage. The finished lower level, with walkout access to the paved stone patio, provides additional living space ideal for creating a family room, playroom, or workspace. This home's great location allows you to explore many of Cumberland's outdoor attractions, including Diamond Hill Park and the Monastery, a local park with 400 acres of walking trails behind the Hayden Public Library. Enjoy locally grown produce at Phantom Farms and Franklin Farm, or visit popular local hangouts like the Ice Cream Machine. Take advantage of a quick ride to many of Cumberland's fine public schools. The Lincoln Mall and Rentham outlets offer plenty of shopping opportunities. This delightful home's central location provides easy access to the highway and commuter trains, allowing for swift travel to Boston and the culture and superb restaurants of Providence. For more information, please call John Bissett at area code 401-578-4285.